I've been using the DA sander because you can see all these scratches that are through here. I don't know who sanded this out before, but they did not do a very good job. But I'm using the DA sander. You can see where I kind of blend the scratches in to here. I'm going to keep working this out this way, and once I get done with the DA, I'll go back through and block sand it with the 80, 180, 220, 320. Go back through the whole steps with the block sanding, and I'll smooth all this out. And you can see I blended in all the scratches over here for the most part. Still got a little bit right here I need to go through, but overall, it's coming along.
KS Production. KS Production.
I got this completely painted. Just gotta wait for it to finish drying. Then I'm gonna hit it with a clear coat, which I'm not gonna show in this video, but I'll hit it with clear coat and then probably go through a wet sanding once I get done painting the rest of the car. I'll just do the wet sanding then, but it is complete. I think on the next one I'm going to be replacing the fuel pump in that because I'm having a code 43 on that car and I cannot figure out what is causing it I've swapped out injectors, I changed the fuel pump, or the fuel filter, and O2 sensor. I've checked my wiring. So the only other thing I know to do is check that fuel pump. So I got a new one, and I'm going to go ahead and try to replace that. Continue on with it. Hopefully I can start driving this thing very soon. Catch you on the next one.